video will be unboxing my new camera.
Cha 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 cha. Umana clock it. Clock it.
Someone thinking that why is she getting another camera? I mean, the subscriber that she's spending so much money, guys. I thought about it too. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm so excited about this video, guys. Finally I got something. I made a big, not a big, I'm so dramatic, but it's big to me anyways. I made an investment for you guys, for myself, and for my channel. Yeah, I'm so happy. But anyways, this video will be unboxing my new camera. Can you guys see? We'll be unboxing this baby right here. Yeah, before we do that, last year, was it last year? Yeah, I think it was last year. Last year I got my Canon camera, which I'm actually filming this video on. I got my Canon EOS R50, and yeah, I got it as a bush gift from my husband because I've always wanted a camera. And it's been serving me for the little thing I do on the camera. I've been enjoying it. It's been making my vlogging, my videos easier instead of vlogging on my phone. Like when I vlog on my phone, guys, I don't get serious because a message can pop up, then I reply the message, and before you know it, I forget that I'm vlogging. And guys, I don't charge my phone. My phone is always on red, you know, less than 20%. So like it's crazy. Yeah, so that's that. I got my beautiful baby, my Canon camera last year, 2025. Yeah. My only issue with the camera is that it's a bit big, and for the kind of content I do, not that it is big, it's not that big, but because you have to attach the lens with it, so it makes it bigger. You know, when the lens is on it, it makes it bigger. I've been wanting this DJI for the longest, but I've been telling myself, I just got this camera, I've not even used it, is it even worth it, blah 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 blah. I know some people thinking that why is she getting another camera? How many followers does she even have? How many subscribers does she even have that she's spending so much money? Guys, I thought about it too. How many subscribers do I even have? My subscribers are not even increasing like that. So why do I have to be putting money in this? But you know, because I love it, I love what I do. I know one day I will blow. And now I've decided to be vlogging more, minimum 2 videos per month. So I need things that will make my life easier. I just have to invest. You have to invest in what you love, right? And I love this. I love what I do. It's not getting there yet, but it will get there soon. Okay. Anyways, enough of the talk. Let's unbox this, my baby. What should I unbox first? Okay. Another thing, because I didn't get the creator combo, I had to get this battery, power bank for the camera. I had to get it separate, and I didn't get the DJI brand. I got this Maytech, I don't know, but it has a lot of good reviews. Can you guys see? It has a lot of good reviews on Amazon, and it's less cheaper than the DJI one. So why not? It's going to do the job. So it comes with this charging cable, and it comes with this. So I think I've been seeing a lot of people use this thing. Not use. Okay, so you press it like this, it goes up. So small. Yeah. I also got some other things, some other accessories for this camera from Shein. Yes, I got this from Shein, like the silicone case and the screen guard, whatever. I got them from Shein, and it's not they've not delivered it. I also got a memory card. I have a memory card, the one I use obviously, and it's 256 gig, but fortunately this camera only uses the micro memory card, and that memory card is the normal size. So if I had known I was going to get this, I should have gotten this, because this memory card, you can put this into this. So the next is to unbox this DJI Mini mic. I'm trying to make this video fast because my baby is sleeping. So we have this, which is the manual, and this is the main deal. Oh wow, this is cute. So it comes like this. It has this cute bag, so nice. So we have this air that you attach on top of the mic. We have this charging. Yeah, this is the main deal. This is so cute. Can you see? Let me open it for you guys. Oh. There you go. This is what we have. These are the these are the mic. They are so tiny. So small. That is what I want, because the mic that comes with the camera itself or the creator combo is a little bit big. Yeah, and we have this also. So this case, why I like this mic, this one is that you can charge the case, and when your mic is low, you just put it in the case and it gets charged, just like AirPod. If you use Apple AirPod or any AirPod, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so this is like the best deal. Yeah, so that's that. That's so cute. I like this bag, this purse. That's so nice. I like that. Let me just leave that there. And now to the main deal. When I got this camera, I told my husband, are you sure this is it? Because it's so small. I think iPhone case, like when you buy a new iPhone, I think the case is even bigger than this. I think so. I think my iPhone 17 case was bigger than this. So that's to tell you how small this camera is. So yeah. So inside the case, just comes like this. This is obviously the camera, but there's something else. That's the manual. Different manuals. This is DJI store. Like, I think if you scan this, you'll be able to download the app or something. And we have this, and that is all. So we have this, another charging cable. We have, this is definitely the strap, because I watch a lot of unboxing videos. We have this strap, very needed because that camera is very small. And we have this. This is what, I think this is what will be attached to your camera to be able to put it on a tripod. I think that is that. And now to the baby. I should have attached my other leg. Can you guys see? Can you hear the sound?
Cha 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 cha. Umana clock it. Clock it.
This camera is so nice. It's so small. It's like so small. This camera is very tiny. He's looking at me right now. Can you guys see? Cheese, English. I need to set it up. I think I have the app already. Left edge to playback. Oh, I need to put memory card. This thing is so fragile. How am I going to maintain this thing? The memory card goes here. I don't even know where to store it now. It's just keep moving. Guys, if you see this tape right now, I've successfully put the memory card. Can you see? So let's turn it back on. I've chosen English now. Please, guys, hold up. The quality is very nice. It's not bad at all. It's so clear. Oh, wow. Oh, it's stuck in my face. Oh, wow. The quality is so nice, guys. And I've not even, this is like the default setting. So beautiful.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so I have successfully connected the microphone and everything, but obviously my next vlog is to be with my DJI, and by then I'll be able to give you more updates. That is it. There's a lot said I need to read. I thought I already made my research about this camera, but no, I don't understand anything in the place. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you watched to this part, I'll see you in my next video that I'll be filming with my baby and my new microphone. Ciao ciao.